Well, how do you get a battery out of a Mazda 5? Now here we have our white 2009 Mazda 5, and I've taken the battery out before and I've replaced the master cylinder recently, and I looked online and found very little information on how to do that. Now I can't show you in detail every detail, but I can show you a few pointers to make it clear that yes, you can remove the battery and get to the master cylinder to remove it. First step will be to take off this vent piece right here, then the lid. I'll show you that right now. Okay, you remove the screws and we're going to remove this battery cover. Now, first of all, remove this. Now that comes off easy. Battery cover. That comes off easy. After you remove those 3 plastic screws, that comes off easy. So you have your battery, and you can see where you want to go, but you can't get there. But I tell you, you can. This whole front will come off. All you gotta undo is undo this cable right here. You use a pair of pliers, squeeze this. This cable will come loose. On the inside, pair of pliers, squeeze that. This cable will come loose. Same thing for this one. After these cables are loose, this whole plate will come up. This whole plate will come up. Then you can undo the battery post, undo the battery clamp, move the battery, slide the battery closer to this end, and lever it up and out. Takes a bit of strength to do that because the battery is heavy. That's the only thing. It is a little heavy, but it can be done. There is enough room to pull it forward. Also, of course, this can be removed too, but basically take this end plate off, pull it forward, and then this end up and out. Okay, if you've got the battery out, what do you do next? Well, the battery box, this plastic box, is still in the way of reaching the bolt back there. There's 3 bolts at the bottom of this box. You undo them and the box will come loose. But in addition, you have to undo a couple of bolts, one in front, one in back. And here's another little trick. To make it easier, these see. Alright, so these wire sockets can be removed. The way you do that is by pressing a little tab forward and pull up. Push a little tab and pull up. It makes it a little easier to work on. Once you undo those bolts, which are a little hard to reach, you take these out like this. Take them out of there. You can see the bolt that you can reach right there. And on the other side with a stubby Phillips head screwdriver. Then once this is loose, this whole box can be taken out And once the box is taken out, you can reach that nut to work on the master cylinder. So, of course, you don't have to do this part if you're just removing the battery, but so this is basically a few pointers. I'm not showing exactly how it's done, of course, but it's still not an easy job, but at least it can be done. Battery can be removed, and you can get access to the master cylinder, which often goes if your brake pedal is starting to go down towards the floor before the car stops. That's a sign that the master cylinder inside here is wearing out, and it should be replaced soon. That can be replaced for, I think I bought that for about $180 as a brand new but not OEM master cylinder from Centric, I believe. And that has worked good. After bleeding the brakes, which took quite a bit of work, it is working good. Anyway, just thought I'd let you know, give you a few pointers on how to take the battery out, get access to the master cylinder on your Mazda 5. Thanks for watching.